Hi, welcome to our introduction video for the Ag Marketing class. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about week one, things that are due this week, as well as the syllabus and a little bit about the entire semester. Let's take a look. When you log into Blackboard, you're going to see right away your course syllabus. If you pull this syllabus up, you'll be able to see the details of the class. I will go over it in a little bit. You'll also have a marketing mix kind of introductory presentation that you'll be able to take a look at. And then there's an article for you to read this week, as well as a discussion. Let's jump right into the syllabus. All right, so here's our syllabus for the course. It's got the Howe Building, 155 is our typical class location, and our time is 12:30 to 1:45. Now, this is a hybrid course, so what that means is we are going to meet face-to-face at different set weeks. These weeks are listed right here in your syllabus. On these weeks, starting next week, in fact, January 22nd and 24th, we will be face-to-face in our normal classroom times. You want to make sure that you have that allocated and set up in your schedule to be there on time at our regular scheduled time. Now, we're going to go over the syllabus in more detail then, but I've provided a detailed list of what each week will likely include. I've tried to give you some notes or tips over here in assignments, but you'll want to always refer to what's in Blackboard to be what is required. So in week one, for example, we got the syllabus, marketing mix, and there's actually a discussion that's not listed here, but it is listed in Blackboard. The rest of the weeks are laid out here, and you can take a look. Next week, we will go over a very important part of the class, and that is the marketing semester project. It's a capstone type project that represents this whole course. We'll go over that in more detail, again, face-to-face next week. The remaining weeks are listed here, and you can see they go all the way through the end of the semester till the final exam. Now, the points are what may matter to you, and that's going to be that homeworks, they will average to total 100 points in value, about 19% of the class. That's going to be weekly. All homework assignments are due Friday of the week they are assigned. So, for example, middle of the day on Tuesday is when all the class assignments and details will be released. That represents Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday worth of work, and then you can turn in your work due by Friday, the noon of that same week. Also, your exams, there'll be 3 separate section exams. They total to be about 57% of the class. And then there's a final exam project, and that is going to be worth 125 points, so a pretty high value. So a little bit less than half of the class is really based on your assignments in this project. So those are important things to make sure you consider and do on time. All right, back to the week. There's an article that you need to read this week, as well as the presentation and the discussion, which is due by this Friday. So make sure you get that discussion completed. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Take a look at week one. Every week I will open a new week on Blackboard that'll be addressing that week. So each week there'll be new material placed out in Blackboard, just like this. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. Use the contact information on the syllabus. The best ways to get a hold of me: email, phone call. I put my cell on there so you can get a hold of me in several ways. Thanks.